We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you'll appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So Bbig stock, another explosive move today within this consolidation and swings as we talked about in yesterday's video. But it's not the only stock pushing up higher. Today at 11:35 a.m. our SPY bot sent us out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, call options went up 80% plus within minutes, guys. This is our new resource that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, by receiving that clarity and edge over the charts with 42 vision. So Bbig stock here holding itself up, and we're going to talk about some key levels of resistance and support. But before we break it down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning, and both of them gave small jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was AUVI. We caught this one in the pre-market under a bull indicator, consolidating here towards the bell, and after the bell, with full strength here on 42 vision, it hit a highest point of 30% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock, Binco Ventures Inc. And as I stated in yesterday's video and even earlier in the video, it has been in this consolidation, and volatility will continue to persist. And the opportunities are forming right before us as we see this hold itself up with strength, and as well as it's playing out between the ups and downs, right? So I'm going to go ahead and pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now join the members using these resources, maximizing in either direction by receiving that clarity and edge with 42 vision. So yesterday, Bbig stock was under a bull indicator as I was doing the video. Now we saw a lot of strength here, and based off 42 vision, it has done a complete shift from white with red borders, which is a dip area, to bright green as the rip area, came back down. This time it turned around pretty quickly and hit green again, right? So when you hit that bright green, you're at the rip area, and the chances of things slowing down if it pulls back are a lot higher, especially if it's followed by a dark green with red borders and red bar, as well as a bear indicator popping up shortly after or pretty quickly. And that's what happened the last two pullbacks. Now, both pullbacks have now been canceled out by bull indicators each time. Yesterday, it was yesterday's bull indicator, and today it's today's bull indicator. So a lot of volatility here between the lows down here at the 230s all the way up towards the 290s, but we keep getting rejections as we get closer to $3. So we definitely want to be aware of that and always remember that, right? I'm not here to sugarcoat things. I'm here to talk about things for what they are. So let's go ahead and break it all down in today's video, the key levels. And right now in the volatility on the 30-minute, we are under a bull indicator since $2.72, around that area, give or take. Now, on the 4-hour though, we have been in the process of reversing, right? You could see how it's going from red to dark green and a continuation of those bars, right, within this volatility and in this consolidation. But if this is going to have any real strength, we definitely want to see it break above $3, but most importantly, actually cancel out this bear indicator by a bull indicator popping up in the move. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. That's what we're watching, and that's what I'm going to be watching every single day going into the next day and next trading day as Bbig stock continues to unravel within this volatility. So we're still under a bear indicator. We're still below $3, but if we get back up there and $3 is used as support in the process, in that move, we want that bull indicator to pop up in that move as well. Okay, not just continue the shifts, but no bull indicator to cancel out this bear indicator. Now, when we go over to the 1 day, you could see that things have been trying to reverse here as well, shifted from red to dark green and having that continuation to go upwards, right? But keeps on rejecting the higher it goes closer to $3, which we've talked about time after time in my videos, and even since way back here when this first bear indicator at $4.33 popped up and things were bearish all the way down to the 2s until we finally had that bounce from the 2s all the way back up to the 3s, the rejection again. And I've broken down my theory, my thesis, and I could be completely wrong. This is not financial advice, and by all means, I may not even know what I'm talking about, right? That's the worst way to look at it. But I am here to share my opinions and my thoughts and my perspective and what the charts are showing. And we've been tracking this together for the last several weeks, months, and almost a whole entire year now, right? We're going into like 10 months of following and tracking these charts and letting the charts speak to us. So I know there's a lot of manipulation. A lot of people have a lot of different perspectives on different data, but at the end of the day, the charts tell you a story. I've been talking about since way back here how $4 was so important because we pulled up the data, how everyone's average cost based off the data was between $3.50 up to $5 and $5 plus. Now, a lot of people were able to average down when it hit the lows down here around the 260s and 270s. And as it pulled back up closer to almost $4, a lot of profit taking or breaking even or cutting losses short happened. And this happened right here. Those that did not have a chance to get out or average down in this time have averaged down on the way down here. And then things came back up. And as soon as it hit close to 350, it rejected again. It didn't even let it get close to $4. And everyone that had a chance to get out here started getting out here. And in the process, shorts both times have put pressure to the downside as well. But there's a lot of selling going on when this happens. And when we reach the 4s, this most recent time, almost 350s again, and so forth, the rejection happened again. And that's how we've ended up here at this point where the stock is having trouble staying above $3 because over time, people have been able to bring their average cost down. And as soon as they see a slight profit or breaking even, there are bulls that are getting out of their positions. And in the process, again, the shorts are putting pressure. So remember that. So on the 1 day, trying to come back up, but we are under a bear indicator. Now on the 30-minute, when you come back over here, it's pushing back up again. We do not want to see this reject 288. We want to see it break through it. And we do not want it to reject 293. We want to see it break through it. And we want it to break out above $3 and find support up here in the $3 range. That's to the upside. Resistance levels to watch going into tomorrow as this plays out. To the downside, the first support is 260. And if that gets broken through, the next point is 248. If you want to round that up to 250, you can. Those are the key levels I'll be watching in between that area if the bulls are trying to reappear or if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast, guys. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm here to always share my perspective and opinions, and I could be completely wrong. But one thing that does not ever fail is the charts and what they're saying. And right now, there is a big battle here in this consolidation where the bulls are trying to pull upwards, and $3 will be pivotal. And if it keeps rejecting it, the bears are putting on pressure, in my opinion. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make